Hi, my name's Monica Blanco, and this is my data protocol and graphic organizer that I designed. So the specific data protocol that I created was surrounding biography-driven instruction. And the components of this data protocol are first my demographics, then where are we now, where do we want to be, my plan, and evaluation of the efforts. So within my demographics, I learned that my school district, Dodge City Public Schools, for the enrollment of 2021 through 2022 school year, there are 7,189 students up until this point. The percentage of the breakdown within those demographics would be Asians, there is 1.1%, Black 2.3%, Hispanic 78.3%, White 16.5%, and other would be 1.8%. So, how could this plan be used within my school? So, if you notice here, there is a high Hispanic population within my school district. So, I think it would be important to indicate that we start using biography-driven instruction to help relate the pedagogical instruction to our students to ensure that they're academically successful. Um, so where are we now? What I typed is, as a district, our test scores indicate that students are not demonstrating significant academic improvement for both math and reading. There has been a steady decline in student academic achievement. So how this relates to the big idea that we've learned within this course is that we have learned that it's important to make data-informed decisions, and the data is demonstrating that our students are declining in their academic performance and achievement levels within both math and reading. So it's important that we make a data-informed decision as to different protocols that we can set in place within our district to help students and our school be for continued academic success. And so something that has been shown and provided to us through various professional developments is the idea of biography-driven instruction. This is an idea brought up from Dr. Herrera Socorro from K-State University. She's came to our school a couple times, and she has showed us that this type of instruction could help students connect to the learning process and in order to be academically successful. So where do we want to be? So as a school district, our goal is to see an increase of students' academic performance for both math and ELA. The goal is for the data to indicate that 80% of students demonstrate proficiency both in ELA and math, and this data will be derived from FastBridge assessment, since that is the assessment tool that we utilize within our district, and that is something that we continually analyze throughout the school year. The plan is, as a district, our action plan is to implement biography-driven instruction, BDI, throughout our district. BDI is a communicative and cognitive method that provides culturally responsive and teaching practices. Its purpose is to help guide teachers to maximize each learner's potential for language acquisition and content learning by drawing upon students' social cultural experience, linguistic, cognitive, and academic resources. By making the learning experience more relatable and geared towards our students' demographics, we hope to see an increase in students' academic achievement. So how this protocol could be used within our school is by implementing different resources and engaging and teaching our students the different engaging tools that they can utilize within their classroom to help ensure that students may continue to be academically. We'll start to see more academic success within our classroom to help all our students be successful. So evaluation of efforts, so continuous professional development will be provided to educators and administrators in order to ensure that constant training surrounding BDI is made accessible to school personnel. Tri-yearly evaluations of student academic performance will be examined after FastBridge screeners in order to track student progress. And based on information from FastBridge reports, further interventions may be implemented in order to determine and make data-informed decisions surrounding continuous school improvements. And the graphic organizer that I created is this BDI instruction. So it's activate, link, and confirm. So activate their family experience it, link it to the school, and then confirm it to the community. So that way we have this continuous loop of engaging our students' backgrounds and their demographics to not only their community, but within their school and their school learning. So how might teachers react to this protocol is, sadly, you're going to have some of those teachers are not going to like, utilizing these tools. They're going to think they're pointless and that there's no reason behind them. However, the data shows that, BDI can be very successful within demographics such as ours in order to help students, you know, reach academic success. And then how could this protocol be adapted to different subjects or groups of people? BDI is something that can be implemented within regular instruction through all content levels, math, ELA, science, social studies, your electives. And you can use it in order to connect the learning process to your students. So it's easily accessible to within all content areas. And then how might this Active Organizer help teachers with data analysis protocol is that this data protocol can sometimes be viewed as overwhelming or you just don't know where to start. However, this graphic organizer really helps to break it down that first you're activating the student's background, their family, and their prior educational or experiences, and then linking that within your school, within your content level in order to help students make those connections and then confirm it with your community in order to help link all three together and help students be academically successful. So these graphic organizers really teach you like step 1, 2, and 3, and it's a continuous loop in order to help students be academically successful. I know that I went over in the time frame, and I apologize for that, but if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for listening.